Assalamu alaikum. Now I calculate the profit pivot table show. So first of all, here the information name, gender, department, session, CGPA. So first of all, I can select all topic, then go to data, then sorry insert, then I can see the left hand profit table, so I click profit table, then from data model, then existing worksheet I click, then location, so this point location click, then OK. So this display show the result profit table. So first of all, I click the range, show name, gender, department, session, CGPA. Now I show the result profit table. Be- beside name, beside column system row. Thank you everyone. This is the profit table. So thank you.